Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E2564P. 35,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black onyx pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Grand Caravan seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stone ghost seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear heat and air control. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. All rear windows have sunshades. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side. Perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. The driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated steering wheel as well as heated seats. Lots of storage space in the center console, and dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. And sliding door control, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.